Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a gift card onto your Instacart account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in instacart.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Instacart website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, if you wish to use any gift card and redeem it onto your account, then click on the account icon at the bottom left corner. From here, click on your account settings. And now from your settings page, go ahead and click on credits, promos and gift card. You will now see the gift card box. Just type in your promo code or your Instacart gift card code and you can then add it to your account. So simply type in your gift card code within the given box and click on the add to cart button. After you click on this button, the code will be verified and the gift card amount or reward will be added underneath within your credits available section. And you can now start using this credit in order to start shopping on your Instacart account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a gift card onto your Instacart account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.